Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In this video, I will talk about more detail about vectors, how we use them in PowerPoint. If you remember, when I have created contour slide or word map slide, I have talked very quickly how to use vectors, and that is a very important point, which extension vectors that you can use in PowerPoint. Before to talk about extension, well, you can get free vectors. You have, for example, this website where you can download icons, flat icon. So choose, for example, I will go here, and here I will choose any one. For example, this one, and here is a vector, SVG format. It is vector, not PNG. Yeah? PNG is about bitmap. So SVG, it is vector format. And also, you can download from FreePic, and you have in the filter, you have the filter and search any type subject. Just in the filter to get only free vectors or image that you want, or PSD that you want. Okay, but we are talking about vectors, so I choose vectors, and here I have some free vector that I can use for free. Good. Also, I am putting in the website. Always I am putting in the website. Just click in the Illustrator, and here each day I will put resource if I have the time. So I'm designing the website. We found them all here. If you need any file, any subject, for example, you need this brush. It's very quick to show you how to get the vectors. Just send email to Faisal Anshar, and I will show you send you directly the file by this service. It is very quick in your mailbox. No, add no anything else. It's directly. Okay. So check always link paintings Anshar. All the resources here will be free. Nothing hacked. Nothing. It's all resource. Maybe I have bought them or create them. So check this category always, Illustrator, to get the free vectors. Now, if you go to the format, which format we can use in PowerPoint? Remember, I have said about EMF. It's very, very important. You can use this format in any PowerPoint version. But if you have PowerPoint 16, 2016 and 2019 or Office 365, you can use SVG format also. Okay? But you can't use EPS, AI and PDF format in PowerPoint if you have vectors in this extension. If you have vectors in this extension, how to convert them? You can do it online. Remember, I have shown you how to do it online. Just Google it. Convert EPS or AI to EMF. Or if you have Illustrator, it is paid tool. It is paid tool. If it is not free, you can do it in Illustrator. I will show you how to do it. Or you can use free tool as ENK Scale. Okay, so now I will show you how to convert it with Illustrator. You will see it's very, very quick. So I will take my any vector. I have SVG, so I will do it in Illustrators, and I will use another format, EPS. This one is EPG, SVG. It is SVG. You can use it directly in PowerPoint. We don't need it to convert it. So you can, as you can see, if I create new slide here and take this one here, you will see I can use it as vector. So group, yeah, and group. Now I have different shape in my vector, as you can see, what you want. Okay, here is my vectors, and remember, if it is a vector, you can increase the resolution, but you will not lose the quality. Here is the what you can get with Vector. It's very, very good. So Illustrator is about this, just for Vector. Now, how to convert EPS or IE. So I have downloaded one of them. Where is it? Back to school. Yeah, this one, for example. I will take EPS, okay, and I will take it to Adobe Illustrator. It is same thing for IE, yeah? No problem, no difference. Huh? No, I don't care about the font, no problem. And now I go to the File, Save As. I will choose here. Oops, sorry, Export. File. After this, Export. Export as. And here you will choose EMF. Here is it, Enhanced Meta File. Okay, now I will export it. Now I can come back. Here is my EMF file, so I can move it to my PowerPoint. Just put it in the other side here. So I can use it now as Vector, you will see. So if you make N group, you can get this icon, you will see, you can get any icon here, any text, what you want. So just click N group, yeah. Let's wait, there are a lot of a lot of elements in this vector. So just wait a few moments. Now I can make an N group again, or I can take what I want. For example, as you can see, I can take this element, what you want, okay? What you want, you can take here. So just now you can drag and drop, okay? But there are a lot of elements, so be careful when you will click. As you can see, I won't take this pen, but the pen is also composed with another element, so you must take all these elements for the pen, or this one, etc., etc. So if you don't have Adobe Illustrator, use Inkscape. It is free. I don't have it, but it is free. Or you can do it online to play with Vector. See you next video, inshallah, to continue our course. Each time when I found a topic, when I enter more detail, it is necessary, I will do it like this. Just practice, practice, practice. I will continue the course. It is not finished, don't worry. A lot of things to see before to close this PowerPoint course. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.